What if I told you that a single project could reshape the way millions of people travel every day? Imagine a future where getting from New Jersey to New York City is not just faster, but smoother and more reliable than ever before. Well, that future is closer than you think, thanks to the Monumental Gateway program. Today, we're diving into the depths of this $16 billion marvel, exploring its impact on transportation, economy, and infrastructure. But before we embark on this journey, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and ring the notification bell because you won't want to miss a single update from Ultimate Mega Builds. Now, let's unravel the story behind one of the most ambitious infrastructure projects in America's history. Act 1. The Gateway Program Unveiled. In the annals of transportation history, few initiatives loom as large as the Gateway Program. This monumental undertaking, valued at a staggering $16 billion, represents a paradigm shift in the realm of infrastructure development. Its genesis lies in the recognition of a pressing need to overhaul the aging train network that spans the distance between Newark, New Jersey, and the bustling metropolis of New York City. As the curtains are drawn back on this ambitious endeavor, it becomes clear that the Gateway Program is not merely a project, but a vision of a future where transit is seamless, efficient, and sustainable. It is a bold declaration of intent, a testament to the unwavering commitment to progress. Act 2. The urgent need for change. Picture this: the Northeast Corridor, a vital artery of American transit, teeming with commuters and cargo, was straining under the weight of its own success. The antiquated infrastructure, epitomized by century-old tunnels, was ill-equipped to accommodate the ever-growing demand for efficient transportation. Then, in 2012, Hurricane Sandy dealt a devastating blow, laying bare the vulnerability of this crucial lifeline. Floodwaters inundated the tunnels, wreaking havoc on tracks, signals, and electrical systems alike. It was a wake-up call, a stark reminder of the imperative to modernize and fortify our nation's transit networks. Act 3. Enter the Gateway Program. Amidst the clamor of skepticism and doubt, the Gateway Program emerges as a beacon of hope, a testament to the power of human ingenuity and collective resolve. Conceived in the crucible of necessity, this audacious undertaking charts a course towards a brighter, more interconnected future. Born in the aftermath of Hurricane Sandy, which laid bare the vulnerabilities of an antiquated transit network, the program represents a paradigm shift in the approach to infrastructure development. Its inception in 2011 marked a watershed moment, a decisive step towards addressing the myriad challenges plaguing the Northeast Corridor. With its bold vision and unwavering commitment to progress, the Gateway Program stands as a testament to the indomitable spirit of innovation. As the stage is set for the program's implementation, the curtain rises on a new chapter in the saga of American infrastructure, a chapter defined by ambition, resilience, and the relentless pursuit of progress. Act 4. Overcoming obstacles. Yet, for all its promise, the Gateway Program faced formidable obstacles on its path to fruition. Skepticism and cynicism cast a long shadow over the project, with many questioning its feasibility and fiscal prudence. The sheer scale of the endeavor, coupled with the complexities of navigating bureaucratic hurdles, seemed insurmountable at times. However, adversity has a curious way of galvanizing resolve, and the aftermath of Hurricane Sandy served as a rallying cry for action. In the wake of the catastrophic storm, which laid bare the vulnerabilities of the Northeast Corridor, the imperative for change became undeniable. Recognizing the urgent need to fortify the region's transit infrastructure, stakeholders from across the political spectrum rallied behind the Gateway Program. Federal and state support coalesced, paving the way for the program's ascent from the drawing board to reality. By 2021, the program had secured the green light from the federal government, a watershed moment that heralded a new chapter in its storied saga. With funding secured and momentum building, the Gateway Program emerged from the crucible of uncertainty, stronger and more determined than ever before. It was a testament to the power of vision, perseverance, and collective action, a triumph of human ingenuity over adversity. As construction commenced and the project gathered steam, the obstacles that once seemed insurmountable faded into the rearview mirror, paving the way for a brighter, more connected future. Act 5. Building for the future. Now, with the green light illuminated, the Gateway program embarks on its monumental task. The construction phase exemplifies the zenith of modern engineering prowess, employing cutting-edge technology and innovative methodologies. Central to this endeavor are the tunnel boring machines, TBMs, marvels of precision engineering that carve through the subterranean depths with unparalleled accuracy. Guided by advanced GPS and laser systems, these mechanical behemoths navigate the labyrinthine complexities beneath the Hudson River, laying the groundwork for a more connected future. Act 6. Transforming the landscape. As construction progresses, the Gateway program begins to leave an indelible mark on the landscape of the Northeast Corridor. From the labyrinthine depths beneath the Hudson River to the bustling streets of Manhattan, the metamorphosis is palpable. At the heart of this transformation lies the replacement of antiquated infrastructure with state-of-the-art marvels of engineering. The iconic Portal Bridge, long notorious for its role in causing train delays, yields to a sleek modern counterpart designed to usher in a new era of efficiency. Meanwhile, the expansion of Penn Station at Hudson Yards heralds the dawn of a new age of transit, accommodating the burgeoning demands of a rapidly growing region. But the transformation extends beyond mere bricks and mortar. It represents a paradigm shift in the way we conceive of transit infrastructure, a shift towards sustainability, resilience, and innovation. From the adoption of cutting-edge technologies to the implementation of green design principles, the Gateway program sets a new standard for infrastructure development in the 21st century. Act 7. Paving the way forward. As the Gateway program forges ahead, it blazes a trail towards a future defined by connectivity, efficiency, and resilience. With each milestone achieved and each obstacle overcome, the program reaffirms its status as a beacon of progress in an uncertain world. But perhaps its greatest legacy lies in the promise it holds for future generations. By laying the groundwork for a more connected and sustainable transit network, the Gateway program ensures that the benefits of its investment will be felt for decades to come. It's not just about building tunnels and bridges, it's about building a better future for all who call the Northeast Corridor home. As we stand on the precipice of this new era in transit, let us remember the lessons of the Gateway program. That with vision, determination, and collaboration, we can overcome even the greatest of challenges. And as we embark on this journey together, let us seize the opportunity to pave the way forward towards a brighter, more connected future for all. The Gateway program stands as a testament to the power of vision and determination. With its transformative potential, it not only redefines the landscape of transportation, but also paves the way for a brighter, more interconnected future. So, what are your thoughts on this monumental undertaking? Share your views in the comments below, and remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on mega infrastructure projects around the globe. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep building towards a better tomorrow.